We're going to review the top 5 best ski boots, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Tecnica Mach 1 megavolt 120. The Mach 1 is designed to be thermo-molded, and the shell, liner, footboard, and tongue can be customized through heat molding as well as punching and grinding. Tecnica simplifies the process for ski techs by molding dimples into the shell that reduce surface tension and clearly indicate modification-friendly zones. The boot board also has dimples to guide techs in the fitting process. TST Drive technology, a carbon spine that runs from the calf to ankle, progressive, and consistent flex while increasing my ability to steer precisely and powerfully. Number 2. Atomic Hawx Prime XTD 130 Tech GW. For many hybrid boots, the touring mode seems more of an afterthought than an integral part of the boot's performance. The Hawx Prime, however, skis uphill as well as it skis downhill. The cuff has an impressive 54 degrees of cuff flex in tour mode, with tech inserts for pin bindings and upper buckles that locked open when I was skiing uphill. Atomic's thermo-moldable liner looked comfortable even before I had it molded to my foot. It's pre-shaped with an obvious ankle pocket and a narrow Achilles. Number 3. Salomon SHIFT PRO 130 AT. For the expert skier who wants a single pair of boots for both inbounds and out-of-bounds, Salomon's SHIFT PRO is an Alpine boot with a functional tour mode. Best for hard-charging resort skiers unwilling to sacrifice downhill performance when they dabble in side-country and backcountry adventures, the SHIFT PRO AT is made to pair with Salomon's Shift binding and a powerful all-mountain or big mountain ski. The SHIFT PRO 130 AT boot uses a seamless race liner that Salomon says is warmer than other race-focused liners, and that won't cause pressure points because it's seamless. Number 4. Dynafit Hoji Free 110. Many dedicated touring boots claim to have Alpine-level downhill performance, but they fall short. This boot lives up to its claims. It skis powerfully on descents while weighing in significantly lighter than a hybrid boot with comparable performance. When it first launched, Dynafit's Hoji boot set a new standard for lightweight touring boots that descend aggressively. But the various iterations of the Hoji boot have been 130 flex only, which is too stiff for most skiers. Number 5. Dalbello Quantum Asolo Factory Alpine Touring. In designing the first uphill-focused touring boot, Dalbello decided to focus on making the boot light, which is standard for the category, and comfortable, which is not. The brand wanted the boot to follow the natural shape of a skier's foot and ankle. So it devised a process to mold the boot in lengthwise dual-injected polyamide composite shell halves that are infrared welded together. This gave the boot shell an anatomical shape that can't be achieved with a standard boot molding process.